Hey there, pool lovers. If you're dreaming of a backyard oasis but don't want to break the bank or deal with the hassle of an in-ground pool, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 6 best above-ground pools that are sure to make your summer unforgettable. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss our top pick. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list is the Bestway Steel Pro Max Round Pool. This 10-foot beauty is perfect if you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-fuss pool. It's compact, easy to set up, and designed for durability. The strong metal frame and corrosion-resistant coating ensure it can handle the heat and keep you cool all season long. If you're just starting out with above-ground pools, this one's a solid choice. It's affordable, requires minimal maintenance, and is perfect for families who want a simple, relaxing summer without all the complicated upkeep. Coming in at number 5, we have the Bestway Power Steel Oval Pool. This pool is a great choice for those who want a little more space than the round pool, but still want something easy to set up and maintain. The oval shape offers more room to swim, while the heavy-duty steel frame provides extra support, ensuring you get a stable, secure pool that'll last for years. Plus, it comes with a filter pump, ladder, and cover, so you've got everything you need to start making a splash right away. Next up, we have the Intex Prism Frame Pool. If you're looking for a pool that looks and feels more premium without the crazy price tag, this is the one to check out. The high-quality steel frame with powder coating ensures it's tough and rust-resistant, while the stylish construction will make your backyard look like a mini resort. This pool also includes a filter pump, ladder, and pool cover, giving you all the essentials to keep the water clean and inviting. If you're after a pool that's a step above the basic ones, the Intex Prism Frame is a great choice. At number 3, we've got the Intex Rectangular Frame Pool. This one is perfect for those who prefer a more structured, traditional swimming pool shape. The rectangular shape provides more swimming space, making it ideal for swimming laps or just enjoying a leisurely float. The powder-coated steel frame is strong and sturdy, and the pool also comes with a filter pump and ladder, so you're all set to jump in and enjoy. If you want a pool that's both practical and stylish, this Intex option is a great fit for any backyard. Moving on to number 2, the Intex Metal Frame Above Ground Pool. This pool strikes the perfect balance between quality, space, and ease of use. It's bigger than some of the smaller options, but still manageable to set up, and it won't require you to hire professionals. The solid metal frame gives it extra stability, while the durable materials stand up to the sun, rain, and everything in between. The pool includes a filter pump and ladder, making it easy to get started. If you're looking for a pool that's a little larger but still easy to manage, this one's a winner. And finally, taking the crown as the best above-ground pool is the Intex Ultra XTR Rectangular Frame Pool. This pool is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, large, and long-lasting pool. The rectangular shape maximizes your swimming space, while the heavy-duty, rust-resistant frame ensures this pool will last for years. It also comes with a premium filter pump, ladder, and cover, so you're ready to go from day one. If you're serious about having a pool that's both stylish and durable, the Intex Ultra XTR is the one for you. So there you have it, folks. The top 6 best above-ground pools for all your summer fun. Whether you're looking for something small and simple or large and luxurious, there's a pool for every backyard. If you want more details on any of these pools, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great pool tips and reviews. Happy swimming!